Hello, welcome to Math Discussion. This video is about how to use interval notation. Interval notation is useful in representing solution set, and one of the most commonly used other than roster form and set builder form. This is usually employed with the use of a number line and inequalities. In a number line, the origin is located in the center and has a zero value. There are two directions, going to the left and going to the right. Going left means you will have smaller numbers, going to negative infinity, represented by negative integers. Going right means you will have larger numbers, going to positive infinity. All are positive integers. Before we continue, let's have the concept of boundary and limit. For example, a fence, and inside the fence is a horse. The horse is chained to a tree inside the fence. The fence is the boundary. That will not allow the horse to pass through. The chain is the limit. It limits the horse to go around inside a fence. Now, let's go to the number line. There are two markers used to locate the solution set. The open circle, or the hollow one. When open circle is present, this means that the number becomes a boundary and is not a part of the solution set. And the closed circle, or the shaded one. When closed circle is present, this means that the number is a limit and is included in the solution set. The inequality signs is also as important as the number line. These are the following: greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. In representing solution set by interval notation, it is important to know these inequalities. When the relationship of the numbers are greater than or less than, this means that the solutions becomes boundaries. When the relationship of the numbers are greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to, this means that the solutions becomes limits. There are two grouping symbols used in representing the solution set by interval notation. The parenthesis. Parentheses are used to represent the side or sides which has the element not included in the solution set, or as the boundary or boundaries of the elements in the set. Also, parentheses are used when we translate the side of an infinity, either negative infinity, or positive infinity. And the brackets. Brackets are used to represent the side which has the element included in the solution set, or the limit, or limits of the solution set. One symbol from set that is always used in this form. U, which means union. This is used to connect two solution sets, which has three different intervals. To round it all up, here is the summary. When open circle is present in the number line, the inequality used is greater than or less than. To represent it by interval notation, use parenthesis to each side. Also, parenthesis can be used to represent the side of negative and positive infinity. When closed circle is present in the number line, the inequality used is greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. To represent by interval notation, use brackets. To connect solution sets, use union in between. Let's have some examples. In this example, the closed circle is -2, and the open circle is +1. The inequality is read as: a number is greater than or equal to -2, but less than +1. To translate it to interval notation, let us use bracket to the side which has the closed or shaded circle, to represent that the number is included in the solution set, and is also the limit. -2, 1. Since 1 is marked as an open circle, we will use parenthesis, to represent that it is not included in the set, but is a boundary in the number line. In the next example, we have open circles, in -2, and +1. The inequality is read as: a number is greater than -2, but less than 1. Translating to interval notation, we will use parenthesis to both sides of the solution set. Open parenthesis, -2, +1, and closed parenthesis. Third example, the open circle is in -2, and the shaded circle is now on +1. The inequality is read as: a number is greater than -2, but less than or equal to +1. To translate as interval notation, use parenthesis on the left side. Open parenthesis, -2, +1, and use bracket to represent that this side, 1, is included in the solution set. Fourth example, we have closed circles, on -2, and +1. The inequality is read as: a number is greater than or equal to -2, but less than or equal to +1. By interval notation, this is translated to: open bracket, -2, 1, and closed bracket. In the fifth example, the directions are given to locate the solutions. The solutions are found from closed circle, -2, going to negative infinity. Also, solutions are found from closed circle, +1, going to positive infinity. The inequality is read as: the numbers are less than or equal to -2, and greater than or equal to +1. In this example, we will use the union symbol to connect solution sets. In the first interval, we have open parenthesis, negative infinity, comma, negative 2, and a bracket. Let's put union in between. And in the third interval, we have bracket, positive 1, comma, positive infinity, and a close parenthesis. In the sixth example, we have found two solution sets. On the left, an open circle, negative 2, going to the left, negative infinity. On the right, a closed circle, positive 1, going to the right, positive infinity. The inequality is read as, the numbers are less than negative 2, but greater than or equal to 1. This will give you the interval notation. Open parenthesis, negative infinity, comma, negative 2, close parenthesis, union, bracket, positive 1, comma, positive infinity, and a close parenthesis. The seventh example is giving you open circles on the left and right. The solutions are located to the left of negative 2 and to the right of positive 1. The inequality is read as, the numbers are less than negative 2 and is greater than positive 1. Here is the interval notation. Open parenthesis, negative infinity, comma, negative 2, close parenthesis, union, open parenthesis, 1, comma, positive infinity, and a close parenthesis. The last example is giving you closed circle on the left and open circle on the right. The solution are found from negative 2 going to the left to negative infinity. Also, another solution found to the right of positive 1 going to positive infinity. The inequality is read as, the numbers are less than or equal to negative 2 and is greater than positive 1. The interval notation for this is, open parenthesis, negative infinity, comma, negative 2, closed bracket, union, open parenthesis, 1, comma, positive infinity, and close parenthesis.